Ooh, and we're back. We're back on normal view. This is probably going to be in a different video. So, if you recognize, obviously, yeah, I just finished doing a different video. I don't know if it'll ever actually make YouTube or not. I might have to review it. Redo the video. It is a balmy 51 degrees out here in my neck of the woods today. And I have an unprecedented day off. It's an amazement. I can finally do things. I can enjoy this crazy bike that just proves I'm an idiot with money. Okay, let's open her up. It was a very quick trip to Mexico. Anyway, yeah, I'm an idiot with money. This bike kind of proves it. So, you know, I love my Harleys. I am brand loyal. I'm brand loyal to Harley. So, and it's because I've been wanting a Harley since I was knee-high to a duck. So, I love Harleys. I love all bikes. I would ride any type of bike. But if you're giving me the choice of what I'm going to spend my money on and I don't have a Harley in my garage, I will buy a Harley. That is just how I am. I am brand loyal in that aspect. Doesn't mean I won't talk shit about Harley, because there's plenty of shit to be talked. In this video, I'm not going to talk shit about Harley. I'm just going to talk shit about the dumbasses, me, who buy really expensive Harleys and then dump ridiculously amounts of more money into it. So, as an example for myself, you see I'm using navigation at the moment. I don't fucking need that. I don't need the navigation. Hold on, we're gonna do some crazy stupid shit. Anyway. I don't need navigation. So I really didn't need to buy a $27,000 Road Glide Special. But at the time I bought it, I had no intentions of putting a 131 into it. None whatsoever. The 114, I rode it home, and that 114 motor was just fine for me. It had everything I wanted. Cool looking bike. Biggish, decent motor. All that fun shit. I was good. And then I rode a live wire, and I was broken. I needed power. There was nothing that would placate it. I needed power. So I had to put the 131 in this bike. I only had 500 miles on the bike at the time. Out the door at my dealership, I was $7,500 to put the kit into this bike. Not the whole crate motor, the kit. I was $7,500 parts and labor into this bike on a $27,000 bike. Now, yep, I'm a dumbass. They admit it. Very much, I'm stupid. Because if I could go back and do it again, if I had the foreknowledge that I would be putting the 131 in the bike, I wouldn't have bought this bike. I would have bought a Road King Special and stuck a 131 in that, and I would have been at the original price of this bike. So take that for what it is. You know, can I afford to do what I did? Yeah, I can afford to do what I did. Ain't nobody in my house going hungry. My bills are going to get paid. We're still going to have a roof over our head. You know, because I do work. You see the lack of videos I put out and the lack of quality in my videos. I don't have time to dump into doing videos. So, yeah, no, everything's good. However, it just would have been smarter to go the other way. If you can live without the navigation, live without the radio, live without a fairing, and just put a windshield up, God, I would say go for the Road King, because it's the same freaking bike from this point back. It is exactly the same. Nothing changes. So yeah, save yourself the money. Use that cost difference to put a 131 in. You won't regret putting a 131 in. And if you cannot worry about warranty, you won't regret putting a 131 in with a different exhaust and different cam and all that fun shit. So there's that. There is that. But goddamn, do I love this bike. I will never, ever, ever talk somebody out of spending their money. You spend your money all you want. You work hard for it. Fucking spend it. That's how the economy works. Spend your money. But if you want to spend it smartly, hold on. Whew. God, that doesn't get old. If you want to spend it smartly, go with the Road King. That's just my saying. You know, whatever. Have fun with that. This video is going to end right here. I've run out of shit to say. I'm going to enjoy myself on my bike today, so have fun. Bye.